up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got a lot update, a walkthrough for you today. We're going to go over all these classic cars for sale, give you specs on each and every one of them, and pricing. If you like classic cars and want to see all of our new inventory in every single day, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and do me a favor. If you make it to the end of the video, leave me a comment. What was your favorite car on the lot? This way I know exactly what I should buy going forward. We'll start at the end. You know what, we'll start over here. I got the 64.5 Mustang. This is not up for sale yet, but it will be next week. This is a driver quality. It's got a 289. So it's not the original engine. C4 transmission, automatic. This one is 16,750. 16,750. Moving over to this C10 green, it's a 67, 350. Car's all been redone, painted. It's an acquired taste if you like the color. It's off of a Camaro. Clean interior. This one is 18.5. And moving over to this Malibu, 71. It's got a 400 automatic transmission, vinyl top. This one is 25,000. Then we got the 63 Impala. Richie's giving it a tune-up. It runs, it drives. It is a project, it needs paint. It's got a 327 under the hood. Automatic transmission. This one is 14.5 with no paint. It'll be just a solid driver. Moving over, we got two Corvettes, a 78 and a 79. One's an automatic, one's a 4-speed. They are 10K a pop. Both have T-tops. And we got the 70 Mustang convertible, 302 under the hood, automatic transmission. Vinyl top. It's just a solid driver. It's not a perfect car. 16.5. And we got a 57 Chevy Bel Air. I have the bumpers for it, which we will be replacing the bumpers. This is a 350 with 327 heads, 4-speed manual on the floor. I gotta clean it up. Might do something to the wheels, I'm not sure. But it runs, it drives solid. This one is not ready yet, but when it is, it will be $29.95. Let me rephrase that. $29,995. 30K. Not $29.95, 3 grand, not at all. I wish I could sell cars that cheap, but not this one. 30 grand, guys. All right, 66 Mustang. This thing is showroom condition. It's been sitting in my showroom. I just pulled it out today. AC car, pony interior. It's got 95,000 original miles. Power disc brakes. Very, very, very clean. 23.5. Then we move on to the Foxy. 88 Fox body. It's got a roll cage in it. It's got slicks on it. Get in, go, have fun, fast. No rust on the body. 9 grand buys it. Then we move over to another Malibu Chevelle SS clone. This one's a 72. It's got a 350 under the hood, completely rebuilt. This car was built about 10 years ago. No rust, no rot. It's very clean. Bucket seats. This one is $29,500. And we move over to the Ford Fairlane 500. It's got a 289, clean South Carolina car. It's got a bench front seat. Nice car, looks good. $15,500 buys this. Talk about this Malibu in a second. Let me jump back over to this Monte Carlo, 86 Monte Carlo. This is a one-owner car. It's got 59,000 original miles. The interior spotless. I got all the paperwork since new. Okay, the original window sticker, everything on this car. The paint's in good condition on the body, but as you can see, this is starting to fade. This is fading. I was going to take it to the shop and get the top part painted to make this a really, really nice car. It's got no rot, no rust, but as is, 14 grand the way it sits. I think with paint, this car does over 20, 25. It's a real clean car. Original miles car, documented car. Okay, 65 Chevelle Malibu SS, true SS, 138 car, AC car, factory AC. Power brakes, disc in the front, power steering, the AC works, the heat works, bucket seats. It's got the floor shifter. It's got a 283 under the hood, but this car is clean. Two-owner car. It appears to be original paint. $32,500. This is a real nice car. Okay, another 66 Mustang GT. This one's got some cool features, guys. We got the coral grille that lights up, which is awesome. It's got the GT little lights here, striping kit, GT badges. But what I like about this one, it's got the vinyl roof. And check this out, pony interior. But what makes this so rare, you got the rally pack option there. You got the seat belt light there, which is awesome. It's got some good options in it. Clean, no rot, no rust. This one I'm giving away for $25,000. It's a nice car. Then we got the 67 Beetle. It's your typical Beetle, but 67 is a very desirable year. $9,500 on that. Then we got a nice Camaro here. This is a clone Z28, not a true Z28. Got a 383 stroker under the hood. Crate motor engine. It's got a crate transmission. No rot, no rust. This thing is clean. It looks really, really good. Let me know if you guys can guess the year. Is it a 67, 68, 69? What do you guys think? It's on our page. $32,000 on this one. Then we got this beat up Mustang 66 6-cylinder. It runs, it drives, but needs paint. This one's $4,500. And we got this Jeep 2000 TJ 6-cylinder, inline 6, clean frame. It's had a bunch of mods to it, lift kit. 10 grand on this. And this is sold Land Cruiser, 91 Land Cruiser for $10K, 168,000 miles. I'll show you a couple other ones. We got, this is a clone of John Wick's car. It's got a 427 under the hood, automatic transmission. I got about $160,000 in receipts. This was built out in California by a builder. This is a client's car that he is going to be selling. If anybody's interested, contact me. I believe he wants 100 for it. But it's had a lot of work done to it. Extensive amount. Moving on, we got this 80 Trans Am that will be coming up. We're gonna put the decals on it and then put it up for sale. That'll be up shortly. And then I'll go in the office and I'm gonna show you a surprise car you guys are hopefully gonna be interested in. It's a special car. Here we go. Bam. We got Bullet. This is a 67 actually. You guys know Bullet's a 68, but it's a 67. This car's all been redone. These are my personal cars, this and the Shelby. Both are available. If you're interested, give me a call, 215-801-9493. I got about $90,000 in receipts. This car's been ground up built. It's one of the cleanest ones I've had. And I'm probably at like 75K on it. And then we got an original Shelby GT500, a 68, 4-speed AC car, 125 buys it. I have not advertised, both of these cars are not for sale on our website. They're not for sale online. I'm only giving you a special preview because you guys made it to the end of the video. And since you made it to the end of the video, you get to see these beauties. Guys, let me know which ones were your favorites. I appreciate you checking out our page. If you like it, hit the subscribe button. Please leave me a comment. The more views we get, the more comments we get, the more videos I can make, the more content I can bring, the more cars I can buy. Appreciate you guys. Give us a call today. God bless the USA. Later.